Welcome dear students in the 8th standard maths. In the previous video we have completed explanation part of 4th chapter. Now in this video we will see the practice set 4.1. See the first question. The one triangle LMN is given. Blank space is an altitude. Okay, we know that altitude is the perpendicular. So segment LX is the altitude and the remaining segment, that is a LY, is an median. Now next question, draw an acute angle triangle PQR, draw all of its altitudes, name the point of concurrence as O. Firstly, draw the acute angle triangle. All of you know that what is meant by acute angle triangle? When all the angles of given triangle are less than 90 degree, then that triangle is called as acute angle triangle. So see, this is the acute angle triangle. Give the label PQR. Now draw the altitudes. Firstly, draw the altitude from the P on the side QR. See, the one side of set square is exactly on the side QR and another side is intersect to the opposite vertex, that is A. That is P. This is the altitude drawn from the P. You can give any label. Suppose I am giving here label X. Now draw the altitude from the vertex Q on the side PR. See here, the one side of set square is on the side PR and another side is intersect at the opposite vertex Q. So draw the line. This is the altitude drawn from the Q on the side PR. Now draw the altitude from the R. Yes. Okay, so draw the altitude of the side PQ drawn from the R. Now you see that altitudes of the triangle are passes through a single point. And we know that their point of concurrence is denoted by O, means orthocenter. Give the labels for these altitudes. This is the X, this is Y, and this is Z. So segment PX, segment QY, and segment RZ are the altitudes. This is the required figure.